this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google not working on your Android phone. So whether the Chrome or the Google app's not working, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and solve this issue. Now, first thing you need to do is go and load up the settings on your phone, and then you'll need to scroll all the way down this page and click on apps. You can then scroll down again until you see Chrome and click on this. Click on Force Stop in the bottom right hand side and click on OK. You'll then need to scroll down and click on Storage. Click on Clear Data in the bottom left hand side and select Clear All Data and then click on OK. You can then come back over to the previous window and click on the Clear Cache button. Once you've done this, head back over to the apps page, and this time you'll need to scroll down again and click on Google. You can then press Force Stop once again in the bottom right hand side and click on OK. Scroll down and click on Storage. Once again, click on Clear Data and click on Delete. If you have the option to clear the cache, also click on this. And then once you've done this, you can head back over to your home screen. You can try opening up Google and checking if that solved the issue. If it's still not working, you may need to go and power cycle your device. Now to do this, tilt your phone onto its side, and you'll need to hold down the volume down button and also the power button at the same time, and you'll need to hold these two buttons down for around about 30 seconds. So let's do this together now. We're going to hold these two buttons down, keep holding them down until eventually the screen goes black. Even when the screen does go black, just continue to hold these two buttons down, and eventually you're going to see the Samsung logo appear. That's when you can go and release these two buttons, and you'll just need to wait for your phone to restart, and hopefully now Google should be working on your phone. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.